Welcome to this tutorial on Document Review and Workflow Status Management in Collaborate in Benefits One Medicare. Document Review and Workflow Status Management helps you streamline the review process, manage document statuses, and facilitate collaboration between teams involved. The Collaborate dashboard displays documents currently under review and publishing. When you generate and publish documents through the Collateral Engine or Portfolio module, they are automatically published on the dashboard in the publishing state. At the publishing state, you can terminate a review process if required. To terminate a review, select the document for which you want to terminate the review process. Click the Terminate Publishing icon in the top right corner. Then click Confirm to terminate the process. Your review process will be terminated successfully, and the workflow status will update to terminated. After the document is ready for review, the state will be automatically updated by the system. At this workflow state, the document is ready for users' feedback or comments. To review a document, click the link under the Product Link column. The collateral will open in Word format in review mode. You can edit the document, or add comments as necessary to share the feedback or suggestions. After completing your review, select the document, and then click the Edit icon to update the workflow status. In the Edit Collaborate document details, you can modify the assigned to, reviewers involved, and estimated completion date. To update the workflow status, click the drop-down. From the Ready for Review state, you can move the file to Review Completed, Approved, or Rollback state. Let's move it to Review Completed state, assuming the document requires changes. Every time you update the estimated completion date or workflow status, it is mandatory to add an appropriate reason. Let's mention the reason here as Review Completed. Now, click the Save button to apply the changes. Your changes will be updated successfully. Click the Close button to continue. Now, the workflow status will reflect as Review Completed. After a review is complete, the Product Config team will address the feedback and update the workflow status. If updates are needed at the master list level, they edit the workflow status to ML Updates in Progress. The feedback is tracked in the Review Summary grid. Click the eye icon under the Review Summary column. Review Summary grid includes Comment Summary for all reviewer comments, and Format Summary to list changes made to the document. The Review Summary section has the option to track and update the status, and add comments for each feedback entries. You can update the status of each comment by selecting it and clicking the Edit icon. In the Review Summary status pop-up, click the Status drop-down. Choose the status from the drop-down, for example, Accepted. Next, add a relevant comment. Click Save to apply the changes. Once saved successfully, close the pop-up message to continue. You can see the updated status and comment displayed against the respective feedback. Once all the changes are updated by the Product Config team, the document can be moved from Master List Updates in Progress to Updates Ready. Updates Ready indicates that the collateral document has moved to a major version, completing the first review cycle. To initiate the next review cycle, publish the document again. Refer to the Published Document to Collaborate tutorial for publishing instructions. If all comments have been implemented and the document is error-free, change the status to Approve. A document's approved status confirms that it is error-free and requires no corrections from the reviewer or client. When the workflow is in progress or before it is approved, Collaborate allows you to roll back to a previous document version if needed. Workflow state to cancel. This can be done from any state. Confirm in the warning pop-up to initiate the rollback. The document will move to Rollback in Progress. Rollback might require some changes to the master list. Once it is updated by the Product Config team, edit the workflow state. They can update the workflow state as rollback is ready. The document will move to Rollback is ready. This action indicates the document has been reverted to the previous major version. You can generate and publish the document again to initiate the next set of reviews. Now, let's explore how to perform bulk edits in the Collaborate process. Bulk editing allows you to efficiently manage multiple documents at once in the Collaborate dashboard. Here's how to perform bulk edits. Check the boxes next to all the documents you wish to edit and then click the edit icon. This will open the bulk edit pop-up. Changes made in bulk edit mode will apply to all selected review processes. You can modify assignees using the drop-down. Simply check the box against the respective mail IDs. Similarly, remove assignees and modify reviewers. You can also edit the estimated completion date. Using the calendar pop-up, simply select the date you wish to assign. You can bulk update the workflow status too. From the drop-down menu, select the desired workflow state. Let's mark the state as review completed. Include any relevant comment or reason for the bulk updates. Once you've made your changes, click Save to apply them to all selected documents. After saving, you'll see that the workflow statuses and estimated completion dates for the selected documents have been updated accordingly. And that's it. You've learned all about document review and workflow status management in Collaborate. With Collaborate, you can streamline the review process, enhance collaboration, track feedback, and ensure accuracy.